So guys, we have our sample project on. If your interface do not look like mine, go to View, Views, Advanced View. Let's bring our video to the timeline. Left click, hold, drag and drop. Move your playhead to the starting position. Then go to right side, Effects, search for Color Saturation. Left click, drag and drop over the clip. Click on the small icon. Then from the Properties section, reduce the saturation to 0. Now go to right side again, Brightness and Contrast. Left click, drag and drop. Same, click on the second icon. Then from the Properties section, reduce the brightness slowly until you are satisfied. And we are done. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.